kandi abariisa muri nkore n'ebicweka ebindi bashabirwa okukuratira okuhabura oku bakugumbya amatungo baba nibenda kugira amatungo marungi. Okuhabura oku kuherwayo Shira Mwine owabiro MP omukazi wa district ya Kiruhura kandi obwatorya ha rukiiko rwa National Animal Genetic Resource Center and Data Bank.
Tutekwa naitu kugenda na science kugenda nako burho kureba omwanya ogwine n'iki wakubasa kutungiramu kikakugasha kikakutungura kandi nebuka kitigira abarija.
Dr. Jackson Mubiru orokora nka manager mu department ya assisted reproductive technologies Agric and Data Bank nagira ngo batira omushomogu okuhanisa n'ebiteekateko ebigenderere kutungura omutindo gw'amatungo mu yanga lyona.
Omulimo guno ugamba nti ekintu kye oli kyatunza banne oba kyakuuma ddala kya mugaso tikivaamu kikirina okuvaamu amata ddala mangi ga mugaso ennyama nga obwetyo bweri amagi obwetyo bubiri.
I've told you we did analysis. We did some research some years back, and the Ankole cattle in this country are the best. Yeah? Compared to those ones in Burundi, I don't know, Rwanda, whatever, and they've taken our Ankole cattle to America. But still Ankole cattle are the best.
Babariisa n'abakugabeta biro mushomogu bagambire barukwenda bikorwe.
Where are these facilities? You can see you're talking about the economics, the economy, the milk, the beef, but we still have to do a lot of things, including our government and politicians.
We find the farmers need to see you doing the thing. They need to see a cow being milked 20 liters. Then you tell them what you did for this cow to reach this level. So we now started on how can we get to that level that the farmers shall believe in what we are doing.
Gashakwa Philip Murangira na Abdul Karim Sengendo.